Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. An important announcement. So, coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026, my first workshop in 2026 will be in Mumbai. I think for a long time I have not been to Mumbai. So on January, I will be coming definitely. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. Today morning, I just mentioned that today evening the GDP data is due and the markets may be a little bit volatile, but it's expected to be range bound. And I said, today's candle may be an inside candle of yesterday's candle. So that's what exactly happened. Markets did not break yesterday's low, did not break yesterday's high also. It was just a pure consolidation from morning 9:15 to 3:30. Finally, Nifty closed almost flat. Usually, the first trading session, market shot up like anything. The next 1 or 2 days, it will consolidate before taking the next step, the direction upside or downside. The GDP data has come. It was expected to be around 7.3, but it came at 8.2. So this is an extremely positive news. And because of this, the GIFT Nifty has shot up about 80 points. Now, 80 points may be not a very big deal, but this 80-point gap up indicates that, the Nifty is likely to open at all-time high on Monday morning. Of course, from now until Monday morning, many things can happen. So the first thing is that we have to see how is the US market. And right now what has happened, US markets, like their futures segment, futures as well as options, continue to trade almost 23 hours a day. But today there was some problem. They say some cooling machine is not working in Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So because of that, the trading has been completely halted for the last few hours. So therefore, the GIFT Nifty, indicating up about 80 points, it is not because of the global cues, because the US markets are not trading at all. Everything is completely frozen. So therefore, the entire 80-point rally in GIFT Nifty is mainly because of this GDP data. So the GDP data has come very good. From now till end of December, there are many events. So number one is this GDP data, and number two, RBI policy on December 5. RBI governor has already indicated that, there is room for interest rate reduction. So now the expectation will be high that RBI will cut about 0.25% repo rate. Then the Fed meeting is there on December 10. Then the as usual monthly data. And then, finally the great expectation that Indo-US trade deal. So markets are really looking bullish. As I told you, now it is buy and dip market, not sell and rally market. Now looks like, 26,500. Like 26,000 to 26,500 is where we can expect until next Tuesday. That means we only have 2 more trading sessions for Nifty. Maybe for the month of December, we can expect Nifty even to scale up to 27,000. So expecting this, I have a lot of call ratios where I bought 26,000 call option and sold 27,000 call option. So as long as the markets are trading between 26 and 27, my buy option will always have some value. That sell option will slowly go down. So I'll be very lucky if Nifty closes at 27,000. The 26,000 buy I will have 1,000 rupees profit, whereas the sell will go to 0. So not only that, I've taken some other strategies also. Overall, my portfolio right now, I'm bullish. I'm not bearish. So the market structure is looking like that. And looking at the open interest, people have sold 26,300 call option heavily, but I'm not in favor of that. So I still feel that 26,000 to 26,500 may be the range. And mostly a dynamic week like this week, 2 days, in the last 1 hour, 150 point fall. Wednesday, 300 point shot up. Thursday and Friday, market consolidation. Then this GDP data. So because of all these things, it is considered to be a dynamic week. So usually the dynamic week, the following week, markets will take a direction. So looks like now that is going to be on the higher side. So time to be bullish, so time not to be bearish. So as I've been mentioning many times, and my first target is 26,500 and the second target is 27,000 by the end of December. So let us see whether that happens or not. So based on that, I've taken a lot of positions actually. Remember, we have been long underperforming. So when we start outperforming, we can quickly catch up with the global markets. So FII data is still not out. So usually that comes very late. So let us see where the market is going to go tomorrow. But as of today, it was just a second day of consolidation. Moreover, today is Friday, so there is nothing much to discuss, right? So we will see on Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.